All right, welcome to day 21. Holy cow, 21. Blackjack, baby. Blackjack, 21. Old enough. All right, I don't see any contractors today, so probably not coming, but they did stop by and crush down all the material for this so they can take this away today. That's going to go away today so we can fill it up. Let me come around and see if there's any. That doesn't look like anybody went through there, so let's go around the house, open it up, and we'll tell you what I'm going to do today. And go forward. Look at this. Things are moving along. Did they do that? Nope, that's still there. Okay. All right, let's open up the house. Okay. All right. Now I've been quiet for a minute. Let me open up the window here. Okay, moving forward today, I am going to attempt to take out the tubs. This tub and the master. The master tub and the master toilet. So, being that said, once I get those taken out, let's go out back here for a minute. Then the next thing I need to do is take those vent stacks, or vent blocks, or whatever you call them, vents, and strip the paint. So they're going to go back up on the walls, the two sides. So I got to clean those up. So I think maybe next week I'll try to tear this out after we get the dumpster cleaned up. All this roofing is for the new shed. So I think I got to clean up some of that debris. So for the next couple of days, this was all the fireplace. Minor things to do. So, and then probably, I don't know when they're going to come with the windows, but we still have to do the whole front and bring up these windows to half up. So we still got a lot of work to do on the outside before we start working on the inside. So, let's just do it. Make it happen. Day 21. We got some new light switches in. I think I might have to buy more. I don't know. We'll figure out where everything goes. So I got to keep track of all my stuff. All right. Oh, and when the other guys come and get the chipping hammer and chip up all that, and then that'll be cleaned up. So, yep, making it happen. So today I'm gonna start with the bathtubs and the toilet. Get this one out of here. And if I'm able to accomplish that mission, do I have a light in here? I might have a light in here. Yeah, if I'm able to accomplish this mission, then I'll move forward to the stripping the thing. So anyways, that's what we're doing today. Thank you for watching. All right. I had to slow down or stop. Not really stop, but stop. The lacquer thinner really isn't peeling off this paint. So I got to think of some other way. Strip this down. My sander's over at the other house. So either I go to the house, get the sander, come back here, but I'm not going to be able to dig down up in there for the sand with the sander to get in only on the outer surfaces. So we'll see. So anyways, I talked to or text the contractor. Main guys aren't coming today. The AC guys are supposed to be here finishing up their thing. So once they I think they're supposed to take this condenser unit out. So if they take out the condenser unit, then maybe I can start ripping out the beams and everything else in this little area here. Take all this stuff out, knock it out with a hammer or something, and then get this ready to be blocked off for the storage or the pantry. Everything else on my end is coming to a fast close. Everything else is going to be up to the contractors and those guys. So maybe the journey that you have with me from this point on is going shopping. I need to shop for tile and for tile for the bathroom. And I'll probably have to buy showers and shit. So, yeah. So anyways, and I asked the guy, hey, you want me to just go ahead and knock out the shed? So if he says, yeah, go ahead and knock out the shed, then maybe we'll start working on that. So we'll keep you posted on the next round. We'll see what happens and see where we go. We're still moving forward. They're just working on other projects right now. So, and when you got to empty out the trash bin to move forward with the rest of the trash bin. Oh yeah, as you see that I did finally remove the one of the bathtubs. That bathtub I'm having an issue with. So I got to check with the guys. Maybe they can help me out. I don't want to screw it up anymore. But this bathtub is out. I got to clean up the pile of debris. Matter of fact, I may try to do that while he's not here and dump it in the trailer before he takes it. So there's the bathtub. Anybody want a tub? All right, let's do it. All right, day 21 has come to a close for today. Nothing was done as far as for the contractors. They have a problem with their truck, so they can't get over here, but that's all right. We'll pick up the pace when they do get here. The AC guys were supposed to come and finish up doing what they were doing. That did not happen. So you're stuck with me cleaning out the bathrooms. The tub. This one I finished up. I pulled the tub out of here. Swept it up, blocked it up. So this room is about done. I got to do some measurements here for a minute so I can figure out my tiles and what I want to do for the design when we put it back together. The master bathroom over here, I'm having a problem with this tub because the drain is so old and corroded, it actually broke when I tried to twist it off. So maybe I'll have to get a Sawzall or something and cut around it first and then take it out. Otherwise, I'm not able to take the tub out. So the toilet's out. Everything is good. I have to measure this too as well for the tile. and what color tiles and so forth that I'm going to put on. And then I try to, as you see, come in here, I try to strip the paint off of this ventilation thing that goes up on the attic. And I could not get that thing, I can't get that paint off for anything. And even the sander's hard as hell. So I'm going to get maybe a 40 grit or something, grit sander, sandpaper, work that out. I've been using the lacquer thinner and it just doesn't budge. So if anybody's got any suggestions to strip that paint, I need to strip this one as well. There's 2 of them. So I want to clean them up so that we can repaint them when we repaint the walls. We're going to repaint these too, make them look nice and match up. So that's it for day 21. Not much going on, not a lot to report. You guys are going to get bored here shortly because I asked my contractor, hey, you want me to start tearing out the shed? He said, no, leave it. So maybe he's afraid it's going to fall on me, which probably will. But anyways, maybe he just wants the money. Could be that too. So my duties, and you're not going to be seeing me doing my little quickie Speedy Gonzalez repairs things that I'm going to be doing. So once I'm finished with the shutters things here and stripping the paint off of that, then I think the only thing left I have to do is take out this tub, and when they remove the condenser unit here, take out the drywall. Oops, sorry. Take out the drywall there. There, see how long I like filming myself? You film the damn thing when I'm showing you. People say, film yourself. I don't want to film myself. So anyways, tear this shit out, and then we're going to make a closet. So that's going to be it after that for me. And then the rest is for these guys when they start doing putting everything back. So as you see, we got a couple sheets of drywall. Probably need more than that. That's going to start with the kitchen, with the cabinetry, the back wall, and other areas. They may have enough. They did the measurements, so may have to get a couple more sheets or whatever. But we'll figure it out. Everything is going to get locked up. So once everything's plugged up, locked up, put up, drywall-wise, then we do the compound. And either I'm going to paint or he's going to paint. We're kind of figuring that out. Haven't got to that point yet. So, and then we got to work on the floor, and then the bathrooms and so forth and so on. So anyways, we still got a lot to go. I think there's like 5 more weeks total for the whole job to be completed. So don't give up yet. Don't get upset if you don't see a video tomorrow or something, because if they're not here, I ain't got nothing to do. But I guess it could work on the grass, unless you want to watch me cut the grass again. That's a crock of crap. So anyways, oh, there is one more thing I have to do right now before I leave. So we're supposed to have rain soon, maybe tomorrow. So one of my wire cameras, hold on, I gotta move the rock. The camera, the wire over there for the camera, the bag that I had wrapped around it to protect the connector, the bag came off, so I got to wrap a new bag on that one. So that's what I'm gonna do for now. Thanks for watching. You know what to do, when to do it, how to do it, all that other fun stuff from YouTube. We'll see you tomorrow or next time, I guess, day 22, whatever day it is. Have a good one.